All right, so for our first example, I'm going to walk you through those steps, okay? I've got fractions. I don't want fractions. I want to get rid of them. So look at the denominators. I have 2's and I have 4's. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12. Least common multiple is 4. I'm going to multiply each term by 4, okay? Here's what that looks like. There are 1, 2, 3 terms in this entire equation. So I'm going to multiply by 4 for each one of those. So for the first one, since these are fractions, I'm going to write my 4 as a fraction. So 4 over 1 times 1/2 r. Okay, that was this first one. Then I have a plus sign, plus, again, 4 over 1 times 3/4. That was my second term. Equals 4 over 1 times 3/4, parentheses, negative 3r minus 5. So I multiplied by 4 once, twice, three times, okay, for each term. So now I'm going to do the multiplication. I'm going to do the long way the first time, but next I'm going to divide first, okay? So 4 over 1 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2, r, plus 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. Negative 3r minus 5. The whole point is for the fractions to go away. So now we're going to simplify. 4 divided by 2 is just 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then we have negative 3r minus 5. Let me show you a faster way to have gotten there. Instead of doing 4 times 1 is 4 over 2, I can just reduce first. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice, and then you can get to the 2r in one step instead of 2. Now we need to distribute and solve. So I'm going to erase a little bit because I wrote really big. So I'm going to erase this part so I can show my steps over here for solving. And I'm going to switch to black. So I'm going to rewrite the equation just so everything is in the same place. So 2r plus 3 times the quantity of negative 3r minus 5. So bring this down, 2r plus 3, distribute the 3, negative 9r minus 15. Get the variables on the same side, move the smaller one. Negative 9r is smaller, so I'm going to add 9r to both sides. These are gone. 2 plus 9 is 11. Bring down the 3, bring down the negative 15. Get the constants on the same side by doing the opposite. 11r equals negative 18. Last step, get the variable by itself. Divide by 11. Divide by 11. R equals negative 18/11. And that's it. It's okay for your answer to be a fraction. Sometimes it happens. When the answer is ugly like this, I'm not going to have you check just yet because I don't want you to have a little heart attack. So we're going to stop and leave it like this. Do not change it into a mixed number or a decimal. You are finished.